I'm Emily, and today I'm going to give you a few tips of how to make the most of your summer experience here at Hampton Beach State Park. I like to start my day here at South Beach, where there's plenty of parking and the gate stays open until 8 p.m. There's a bathhouse right next to the parking area and a little beach store that carries all the essentials. It's just a short walk down to the beach from here. On the way, you'll pass some beautiful sand dunes covered with seagrass. When you get to the beach, look for a spot above the jetty where you can view Hampton Harbor. My favorite thing about South Beach is there's more room to spread out, set up blankets and chairs, and play a game with friends. But a beach day isn't official until I dip my toes in the ocean and take a long stroll up the beach. This is the best way to take in the carefree atmosphere and let the waves wash away any stress. Restaurants and shops are just a short walk away too, and state facilities along Ocean Boulevard are a convenient place to rest. About a mile from South Beach, you'll find the iconic Seashell Oceanfront Pavilion, where free concerts are held nightly, along with other popular events like the Miss Hampton Beach pageant. From May to September, Hampton is a thriving summer destination filled with beachgoers, delicious smells, and music. The experience is more than just a day at the beach, it embodies the essence of summer itself. Hampton Beach State Park is a great place to spend the day or a week. For more information on parking and schedules, visit nhstateparks.org.